Okay, so you're ready to use your new products. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're not going to use as much as you're probably used to using. Monat's very concentrated, so you're not going to use as much as you would even premium products that you buy in the store. So whatever shampoo you purchased, you're going to want to use just a dime to a nickel, and it's going to feel really uncomfortable, and you're not going to like it. You're going to think you need more, but you don't. Let me show you what that looks like. Just about that much. But what you can do, because it's concentrated, you're going to add some of your shower water, sprinkle a little bit in there, lather it up on your hands, and then apply it to your hair. And then you're going to leave it in for 2 minutes. And you're probably going to think, I didn't get it on all of my hair, or this isn't going to be enough. It's not worth it. I need to put more. Don't panic. Wait 2 minutes. Shave, wash your face, brush your teeth, wash your body, and then rinse it out, and then repeat. The first time you probably won't experience any lather. The second shampoo, you definitely will. So that's the shampooing. So you do it twice. Then you apply the conditioner, same deal, but you only once. Leave it in for 2 minutes and rinse, and then towel dry and style as usual.